Little high?
A little high.
Yeah. I think if you go out to that Y, you cut left and right.
Yeah.
Cuts a small right one and then the other left side. That'll relieve some pressure on that when you cut the Y off. Cut one or the other off first, you know what I'm saying?
Probably the small one first.
Yeah.
Where do you think's holding this tree up at?
I don't, down below here, those two branches coming down there is what's holding you up. I don't think any of that top, I wouldn't have sent you up there if I thought that top was holding it. That'd been a dick move.
I hope not, because if so, that's about a good 50-foot drop.
Yeah, but you'll land in all those trees first.
I will live.
You'll be all right. Nice. When that hit that branch below you and it shook, I could tell you.
I was like, oh!
I know, I could see you like, yeah, that was funny.
Probably cut this one now.
Yeah, just watch your feet. Run out of fuel? Fuel?
Yeah.
Oh, it sucks.